Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I will be removing the original stock mirrors, and I'm gonna put on bar and mirrors. Just got them home, so just want to show you how they look, and then we can start taking off the stock ones and begin to put on the bar and mirrors. I think it's gonna give it a good look to the bike. I think it kind of ruins the bike look that it has the mirrors up here, and they are kind of big, and when you do ride the bike you can't really see anything in these because of your shoulders. That's my experience, and I've seen others complain about it, and they actually say that you get better vision with the bar and mirrors. So we'll have a look at them so we can see how they look. Alright, so right here we got the box. I bought these from motea.com. I can link them down below. Make sure that the end of it, the actual fitting, fits on your bar. I think most bikes come with these this size, 22 millimeters, but just in case, just be sure of that before ordering them. But first of all, we're gonna be taking off the stock mirrors. Alright guys, the first mirror we're gonna be taking off is the clutch side, the left side. So what you're gonna be doing is taking this rubber up here, and I already loosened them because it's a little difficult to, it's just not just undoing it the normal way you would do it. So you see the upper one here, that's supposed to go to the left here, and then no, that was the wrong way. This one is gonna go clockwise to loosen it, and then you're gonna be turning the entire mirror clockwise again. Just gonna put this away. And then eventually it's gonna be coming off. It's on, off, right. And then this one down here, you're just gonna be taking off the way you would always be taking it off, just the normal way. And then you got it clear. So remember to put these back together like this. Smart idea in case you want to put it back to stock. Yeah, so now the thread is completely visible. What I recommend you guys to buy is these cap heads. You can find them on Temu, Amazon. I just got mine off Temu, so I think that's gonna work out just fine. You get a load of different sizes, but I think this one actually fit. No, a little too big. Hold on, let me find one that fits. I think this one fits perfect right there. You see? Nice and clean, so that's what you're gonna be looking for. It also protects the threads, so in case you want to put it back, you know, the thread is not totally ruined. So nice and done. Let's move on to the right mirror. Alright, so we're moving on to the right side. Again, it's the same thing. You loosen this one. I just by turning it this counterclockwise, and then you can get the mirror off. By turning the lock nut counterclockwise, and then the mirror goes clockwise. So yeah, that's it. Just gonna undo this. So it's same steps as the other mirror. So again, this one goes the normal way. Like that. Nice. And then this little cap, they look like this. See if the camera can catch it. Cheap to buy, makes it look a lot better, and of course protects the frets. So that's nice and done. All right, so we're gonna head off to removing the bar end here, and for that you're gonna be needing a 5mm. Forgot to mention that the wrench that goes onto the nuts are a 14mm, so you're gonna be needing that to take off the mirrors. But for this, 5mm will do just fine. I loosened these yesterday, so I didn't have to do it today, just to have an idea of how they are assembled. What is really nice about the CB650 from 2021 is that it doesn't have this locking mechanism where you have to kind of squeeze two pieces together to get it all out. It comes out nice and easy, so that's pretty nice, so you don't have the hassle with this. So these are the original one. I'm gonna save that right here, and I'm gonna take one of the mirrors. Alright. Okay, that doesn't fit. It comes with the different adapters for different bar ends. So, what I recommend you guys doing is from the original bar end, you would. Oh my god. You'll be needing to take this off. The original one. So take that off. So you got these two pieces, and then you can put it away. And then from the mirror, you're gonna be taking off these that it comes with. So just gonna see where I threw that away. So what you're gonna be doing is, this is also a 5mm. Taking these off, and you're just gonna be doing this to make sure that the mirror stays on, because these, I found out that they didn't fit that well onto the bar, and they didn't quite lock as I wanted them to. Tested it yesterday. So what I'm gonna be doing, and what I'm gonna be recommending for you guys, are taking the original ones, putting them on, and then start screwing them together again. Then you know they lock in place properly. So yeah. Let me just see. Alright, I took the wrong mirror, so let me just get the right one. Alright guys, I'm back again. So I'm going to be putting this on, screwing it together just a little bit, and then shove it in here. Let's see if this is going to be working out. How far are we? It's beginning to look like something. Oh my god, not again. There it goes. Alright. So, just again, don't over tighten stuff, you know. So, yeah, this is nice. Much more clean look to the bike. See, I tightened it a little too much because you want the throttle to spin kind of freely without this getting into it, so you can play a little around with it. Also remember to align this so it's kind of straight. Pretty satisfied with that. It's a good idea to give it a little tight, but again, not too tight, guys. I think that should do it. And then these two, we got two bolts right here. Bolt going in from the other side. Can maybe tighten them a little bit. Just see how tight they are. They could use a little tight. Alright. So now we got the bar and mirror on one of the sides. Looks good. Yeah. Take it up a little bit, put it down. Personally, I like it down, but I'll leave it up to you. It gives the bike a clean look. Yeah. So I'll just put the other one on. Alright guys, so now we got the bar and mirrors on, looking all good. Yeah, I guess there's nothing more to say. These mirrors make a perfect look for the bike. Give it a bit more cafe look to it. So I'll link the mirrors down below. There are plenty of sellers of these. Just be aware of if you're driving in the European Union, you would need the E mark on it. If you live in the US, I guess there's less rules, so just be aware of that. Yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.